Wait, listen carefully. My first English try was a big mistake, but also funny. Very funny. Stay until the end. It was a hot day. Very hot day. I stood outside, at a bus stop. I held my notebook, full of English words. I studied every day, morning and night. But only alone, never with people. That day felt different. A tourist stood nearby. Tall man, blue shirt, big backpack. He looked lost, very lost. He checked his phone again and again. I thought quietly, this is my chance, my first real chance. I felt scared, very scared. My hands were shaking. But I stepped closer. Slow step. Small step. Then I said, "Hello," very softly. He looked at me. Then he smiled. Oh no, he smiled big.
What's possibly? You started talking all, and then he knew what you did.
He said something fast, very fast English. I caught nothing, nothing at all. My brain stopped working. I panicked inside. But I tried again. I said slowly, "Can I help you?" Yes, I said it. He looked happy. He spoke again, still too fast. I heard one word, bus. Okay, good. I know bus. I asked carefully, "Where you go?" Oops, wrong grammar. But he understood. He said a place. Long name, very long name. I did not know. I froze again. Then I remembered something. My teacher's advice. Ask simple questions. So I asked, "Repeat, please. Slowly, please." He smiled again. He spoke slower, much slower now. I understood more. He needed bus number. Okay, I can help. I know this place. I pointed to the road. I said, "Bus number 10. He looked confused. Oh no, again? Then I realized. I said 10, but I showed 2. My fingers were wrong. He laughed kindly. Not mean laugh, friendly laugh. I laughed too. Then I corrected. I said, "Sorry, 10. 10. I showed 10 fingers." Now he understood. He nodded fast. Then he asked, "When bus comes?" Oh no, time question. I looked around. No bus yet. I guessed again. I said, maybe 5 minutes? Not sure, but okay. We waited together. Silent moment. Then he asked, "Where are you from?" Easy question. Yes, easy. I answered proudly. I am from Indonesia. Clear voice, strong voice. He smiled wide. Then he said, "Your English is good." Wait, what? Good? Really? I felt so happy, very, very happy, even with mistakes, even with fear, still good. That moment changed me. I felt brave, more brave than before. Then the bus came. Finally, the real bus. I said, "This is your bus." He said, "Thank you," many times. I said, "You are welcome." Perfect sentence. He got on the bus. He waved goodbye. I waved back. Big smile. Very big smile. The bus left slowly. I stood there, still smiling. I whispered softly, "I did it. I really did it." My first real conversation. Not perfect, but real. Very real. That day taught me, speaking is not perfect. Speaking is trying again, and again. Mistakes are okay. They help you grow. Slowly, you improve, little by little. Now I speak more than before. Still learning, always learning. Now it is your turn. Do not wait too long. Start speaking today. Even simple words, even small sentences. Tell me in comments, what will you say first? Let's practice together.